Start with some ombre, and we are gonna use a yellow color from Upvoted Gel Polish, then the pink color, that's one of my favorites, some purple and a blue. Once you apply the colors on the nail, take a sponge and a tweezer and just dab it in. Cure 60 seconds. Then apply those pretty cat eye over it. Take a magnet and make it nice and strong. And then cure it 60 seconds. Then remove inhibition layer from your cat eye gel polish and add pink into a French gel. So paint on French gel and a pink. Take a watercolor brush and start painting some flowers. Beautiful two tones petals. Take a D-liner brush and add couple squiggles. But just in a white color. That cat eye looks insane. If you liked it, we do post international. Then cure 60 seconds. Take some magic chrome and first of all start rubbing it into the flower, but then also bring it over the cat eye. That is unbelievable. The magic chrome changed everything. Then apply high shine no wipe top coat over the entire design and cure 60 seconds. Then using the same top coat, add some 3D detail. Cure it again. Look how pretty it is. All those shines and cat eyes showing through it.